In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix 0x800703F9 Windows Update error on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is we need to click on the Start button and go to Settings. Now from the list of options on the left pane, simply click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. This will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So follow the on-screen instructions. And after running the Windows Update troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Okay, so this is still loading in my Windows. So after restarting, the second thing that you can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click the option Run as Administrator on the right pane. Then we have these two commands. Run the first command first, which is the SFC command. Control V and hit enter. Once done, copy the second command, which is the DISM command. Control C to copy. All of these commands will be posted in the description box below and hit enter. So for this, patiently wait for the process to be done, and once it is successfully completed, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your window. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.